INdermal presents vegan DDS Ethyl-C at 3% with Ethyl-O-Ascorbic Acid, one of the most stable forms of vitamin C. An active that offers 85% effectiveness of pure ascorbic acid, with the stability of sodium ascorbic phosphate and all the benefits of vitamin C. To solve vitamin C problems, INdermal has the latest in deep delivery system technology. Thanks to the components of our liposomes, we can guarantee greater control over the function and release of the active and its protection against degradation, while it releases the active in the basal strata of the skin slowly to achieve a prolonged effect and increase its bioavailability. Our three-stage method, based on the development of nanosystems to the release of pharmacological active ingredients, obtains highly effective liposomes and endurance. Thanks to our vegan DDS encapsulation system, the liposome achieves to penetrate the skin, accessing the deepest layer of the epidermis and reaching up to 20 times more active than an encapsulated application. To demonstrate this superiority, a study was carried out on human organotypic skin explant cultures, simulating photoaging with daily irridations in skin for 7 days while applying two products: a gel with 10% vegan DDS Ethyl-C and a gel with the same content without encapsulation. The group treated with vegan DDS Ethyl-C presented a 136.97% reduction in MMP9 levels, reduced the secretion of IL-6A by 92%, 2.6 times more effective than the free active. It decreases the level of ages below even the control without photoaging. The topical application of vegan DDS Ethyl-C improved the skin's ability to avoid the effects of aging induced by UV radiation. Thanks to these results, we can guarantee that the vegan DDS Ethyl-C product is more active and stable than the same unencapsulated compounds.